Okay. 250. 0. And I need a class on this one that I did not add. Okay, fair enough. So, let's see here, class equals data. Okay, 200, 300, 400. Put that on current. Okay. Really? I can't believe it's something that silly they're getting at me for. That refusing to let it pass was because I forgot a period. Though I suppose I need to prepare myself for when we hit JavaScript and my code is failing because I left out a semicolon or something. So it probably helps in that regard. Okay. Put that in just so I can modify it after. Of course. It would be because I left something in there from when I was copying. Let's see. Caption. Net worth. Never mind, guess we're doing it the old-fashioned way. body. Total. .34 and I need that current class. There we go. HTML box sizing border box. And we are finally doing the actual CSS. And just the irritating HTML setup, which I tend to just breeze through as much as I can, to be honest. Probably a mistake in some places, but HTML, I tolerate its existence. CSS is at least marginally interesting. I prefer the interactive stuff in JavaScript, which is why I'm so anxious to actually get to that part. Okay. SR only class. Oh right, that whole thing. Let's get this out of the way. And I keep pressing the wrong keys. I really gotta get rid of this 70% keyboard or whatever the heck it's called. This thing is so irritating. And I miss my numpad whenever I'm using it. I miss my numpad. Set the border to 0. And clip path? That's the first I have ever heard of that. Just clip is what I'm supposed to do, apparently. Yeah, these are just CSS properties I had never freaking heard of. There's a lot of less common ones, or ones that are relatively common, but I've just never had cause to use, and these are a few of those. Go, stop our overflow with overflow to hidden and white space no wrap. I have a general understanding of what the no wrap property does, but I'd never heard of a white space property, believe it or not. Really shows how much that I don't really use some of the less frequently occurring CSS properties. It's just that. There. My music paused, so that was annoying. Oh well. At least I'm only recording the window I'm doing code in now, so you don't have to watch me fiddling with music settings. Plus, I'm very fast when I fiddle with them. Alright, on we get. X direction of column reverse. Gap 1 rem. Surprisingly, I do actually know what a gap property is, because Flexbox and Grid are the two alignment properties that get the most use out of me. So of course I would know. Okay. Just copy the selector for that one, because I'm lazy. Then again, when people accuse me of laziness, I like to just say that I prefer to think of it as finding a low-effort solution to a problem. Not so much laziness. And I will stick to that answer until the literal heat death of the universe. Because that's how I like to look at things. I'm finding a low-effort, high-efficiency solution to problems. If it works, and it's not going to cause unforeseen side effects, and it's stupid, then it's not stupid. Now we're starting to look the part. Session sticky. Top 0. There we go. Now, let's see. Color. And at this point, they can get start to get a little more vague with our instructions and just sort of imply it and leave you to figure it out, because you've gone through the tutorial phase. Now it's a little bit into the testing your knowledge type of thing, which is an interesting way to do it, and I don't disagree with that reasoning, honestly. Okay. Did it again. There. That did that. Z index time to 999. If you ever end up needing to have one element on top of another for any reason, like you have a photo of yourself that's on a lower layer compared to the background image, and you want it to be way up on top, then Z-index is your friend.